Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about creating surveys in DeskDirector. Surveys are a great way to gather feedback and improve your services. In the DeskDirector admin console, you can create two types of surveys: ticket surveys and custom surveys. Though they follow the same creation steps, they differ in the number of questions allowed per survey. Ticket surveys are limited to one question, while custom surveys can include up to 5 questions. You can easily create both types of survey from the Survey tab in the admin console. Technicians with specific roles can also update surveys from the Tech portal. For more information on DeskDirector roles and permissions, you can check the DeskDirector knowledge base. By default, DeskDirector includes a CSAT, customer satisfaction, question that applies to the default survey and board/Q-specific survey. You can choose to keep this question or update it to something more relevant to your needs. In the Alert Receivers section, you can specify email addresses that will receive notifications for any negative responses. Both the survey questions and the alert receivers can be updated at any time, ensuring that your surveys remain relevant and responsive to your customers' feedback. In summary, creating and managing surveys in DeskDirector is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your ability to collect valuable feedback. Whether you choose a ticket survey for quick insights or a custom survey for more detailed responses, DeskDirector provides the flexibility and tools you need. Don't forget to regularly update your questions and alert receivers to keep your surveys effective and timely. Thank you for joining me, and happy surveying!